Hey, I'm Susan Berkley with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog. Today we're going to talk about warming up your voice and if you can actually improve your voice by doing vocal exercises. And the answer is absolutely yes. I mean, Clark Gable, that handsome Hollywood actor, had a really high-pitched voice, and by working on it, he sounded fantastic. So did Grace Kelly, the beautiful Hollywood actress, and you can do it too. So I'm going to give you today 3 really quick vocal warm-ups that are going to really improve the sound of your voice. Do these in the shower, it's even better. So they're a little weird, so bear with me. Now the first thing are lip flutters, and they sound like this. It's a great thing to do. If you can't quite get that fluttering noise, go like this. And if you can, even flutter a song. So that's one thing you can do. The second is the siren exercise, where you go from your lowest to your highest pitch softly and back down again like this. Ooh, just like that. Do that a few times. And then finally, we're going to count and hum, keeping our voice in the facial mask, and that sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, and you can count up to 10 if you can. And you feel your nose and lips buzzing when you do that. That shows that your voice is in the mask where it's at its strongest. So 3 great exercises for you to try every day. I'm Susan Berkley, and I'll be back next week with more Inside Voiceover.